morning, guys. It is Monday. It's a little bit chilly today, and I had a hard time actually, I'm going to tell you, I didn't set an alarm, but I woke up about 8:45, so I did get a little bit of a lay-in this morning. I'm on my second cup of coffee. Tonight is the gospel broadcast that Ronnie does, and I'm emceeing it. So I was down here, and I was reading my Bible and getting ready for it tonight. And I think I'm going to be in Chronicles, talking about giving the Lord time. And anyways, that's what I've been working on. I have got a list of things to do today as long as my arm, but I'm going to get done with everything that I possibly can, and I'm going to prioritize the most important down to the most important. So the first thing that was priority today was the broadcast for this evening, so I'm ready for it. Happily a Housewife always puts out a Monday video, and no matter what it is, I always watch it. So I'm about to drink my cup of coffee, watch her video that she just released, and then I'm going to get going with my day and take you guys along. We had leftover pizza from last night where we was at Ronnie's mom's, and I'm going to be warming that up for lunch today. Ronnie is still in bed. I don't think he's asleep. He's probably reading his Bible upstairs. And then he comes down, and I make him a cup of coffee, and we get our day started. So excuse the frightfulness of what I look like. I'm not going to look like this all day, I promise. I'm just trying to get my bearings this morning on all that needs to be done. I've got a couple online bills I need to pay. What else do I need to do? Oh, I need to take out the garbages today. I need to put away all the items that I purchased yesterday from Gabe's. And that is it down here. I need to dust and vacuum and all those regular prioritized things that you have to do as a housewife. So I'm going to have my coffee real quick, watch my video that I watch on Mondays, and get my day started. So happy VEDA Day 12. You're hearing the TV because Ronnie is maneuvering it in there, and he does it by audio description and audio sound. Anyways, by voice control. That's what I'm looking for. Anyways, this is lunch. This was leftovers from last night, and I'm just going to pop this in the oven. We're just going to have this quickly for lunch. Tonight, after the broadcast, I'll make us a burger. We just decided to keep things extremely simple because it becomes very hectic evening with the broadcast and all. So I'm going to heat this up. I've got the oven warming up. I've got my mop water ready. As you can see, I really need to give this floor a good clean. But before I do that, I'm going to go through these bags here. This is stuff that I have been trying to go through forever. This is stuff that I've gotten from wedding, things that belong to me that I moved here with. And yes, still got to put in a floor in my laundry room, but that's okay. Not going to get done today, but definitely going to put this stuff away. Hello guys, I look like a scary person right now. Let's see. I had been cleaning like a crazy woman downstairs and I got everything all clean. Got the bathroom cleaned down here, the floors mopped, everything dusted, just like I like. I've got a pile of stuff. You see it right there? My clean clothes and stuff that's got to go upstairs. I always dread taking stuff upstairs, and honestly, why? I have no idea. Anyways, I got to take that stuff upstairs, and it is 6. No. Is it 6? 5:30. 5:30, according to that clock. The broadcast tonight starts at 7, and I need to get myself pulled together and get myself cleaned up. After the broadcast, we're going to have something to eat. I'm going to clean up, and then I'm hoping that I can get upstairs just tidied up. At least the garbage is taken out, the bird cage clean, that kind of thing. If I can get that much done and the sweeper ran upstairs and down the stairs, then I'm good. Now tomorrow, it is a possibility that we may not be going to the gym. It is Ronnie's dad's 72nd birthday tomorrow. And he likes to eat at Fazoli's. And I told Linda, which is my mother-in-law, to suggest to him to go to Fazoli's. And I had to go over and use her copy machine at her house because I took care of some paperwork as well today. And we may not be going to the gym because he had a handful of Fazoli coupons. I think he's pretty geared up to get that pasta tomorrow. So we'll see what happens. But I am going to take a time out and have this. I'm going to take my drink with me. I'm going to carry that stuff upstairs and get ready for the broadcast tonight. I like to take about 30 minutes and go over what I'm doing. Ronnie has to change his clothes. He gets cleaned up and everything for it. And that is about it. So that is what's going on. It is colder today. We actually had to turn our heat back on, but it's not even kicked on. I have it set on 70 right now. But when I got up this morning, the house was like 64 degrees. It was a little chilly. Ronnie kept saying, it's cold, it's cold. And I didn't really want to turn the heat back on because I didn't want to pay the bill. But anyhow, so we'll see what happens. I love these things. I just ate a whole bag of these last week. And now I got a new bag, and I can't stay out of them. I love them that much. Easy to peel, sweet, delicious, fantastic. All right, everybody. We just wrapped up from doing our gospel broadcast. I got a good-looking man over here next to me.
Well,
hello, baby.
I'll tell you what. You're better looking than I'll ever be, but I'll tell you what we did. Yeah, we wrapped up a whole hour. You can YouTube. You can. Let me see. Let me see. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's warm.
I didn't know my breath was blowing on.
No, I don't know. I didn't think it was either.
Well, you know what we do? I'll tell you what. I know you can YouTube. We'd love for you to watch. It means so much to us. And I tell you what. We love each and every one. I love being on these YouTube videos here for my baby. She does a bang up job on her cooking, and I tell you what, for those of you that, and I tell you, and the pizzas and the burgers and all the other stuff, she just does.
He just gets to eat everything that you see me make, and that's why he loves it so much. But thanks so much for watching today. I don't know. I haven't got much more to go do tonight other than Ronnie here and I have a plan to watch a movie and to fix something to eat. I'm getting hungry.
Me too.
So let's go find something.
Let's go do it.
All right.